Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Guys, Apple recently released a Magsafe battery pack for the iPhone 12 series. And this was actually not covered by many sources, which was actually kind of surprising. Because for $100, $99 obviously, you go ahead and get this Magsafe type battery pack. Now this is, when the Magsafe idea first came out, it was kind of a bust, let's be honest. The wallets, as you guys can see right here, the wallets, all the kind of cases, stuff like that, no one gave a fluff. No one actually wanted it. There is a small market who probably did go ahead and mess with it, but majority of people, I feel like, said, all right, I don't really care about the magnets on the back, it's not a big deal. Now this is when it becomes actually a big deal, and the reason why is because of the fact that this actually you don't have to have a case on this. You can have a case on and still use this, but it's literally just magnetically attaches to the back of your phone. And rather it be just like a wallet or some kind of like gimmick you can add to your phone, it is actually going to give you some extra battery life. So this is actually really cool. So it's pretty much wirelessly charging your phone as you are using it. Now it looks a lot better on the iPhone 12 than the 12 Pro, I will say that, but nonetheless it's still a really cool concept. So just like you can see right here, the 12 Pro Max, and you have the 12 Pro right here. Actually wait, this is a mini. This is a 12. It looks better on the mini, my bad. Mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. So, like I said, it looks actually really cool. It looks weird on the 12 Pro Max. It looks kind of weird on the 12 Pro. It's just it doesn't fit completely. Obviously, it doesn't go ahead and fit at all on the 12 Pro Max, really. It fits very well on the iPhone 12 mini. But with that in mind, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the specs. So first off, attaching the Magsafe. Let me go ahead and fix this on the screen for you guys. Attaching the Magsafe battery pack is a snap. It's compact, intuitive design makes on-the-go charging easy. The perfect aligned magnets keep it attached to the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, obviously, providing safe and reliable wireless charging. It's automatically charges, so there's no need to turn it on or off. There's no interface with the credit cards, no interference with the credit cards or key fob either. So obviously, if you do have the wallet feature connected to the back, it's not going to go ahead and interfere with anything. It can still wirelessly charge. It looks like connected to that, so that's actually interesting. Recommended 20 watts or higher USB-C power adapter and USB-C Lightning sold separately. For more information, check out the article. What's inside the box is the Magsafe battery pack and power adapter cable sold separately. So we're gonna pick this up for the channel. We're gonna do a video on this, but lithium based battery shipments, obviously, for the manufacturing stuff. That's all you get out of this whole entire thing. So let's break it down, okay? It is definitely interesting. I don't know if it's weird, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about what this actually comes with. Does not come with a charger or cable, obviously. That's just plain and simple. You do need a 20 watt power supply to get it. I mean, a 20 watt, 20 watt or higher USB-C power adapter, but it doesn't come with anything like that. Now, this product is going to go ahead and the pack has a capacity of 11.2 watts hours or 1460 milliamps, which may be enough to charge full charge of the iPhone 12 mini. So this can give you a full iPhone 12 mini charge. How does that charge when it comes to the iPhone 12 Pro Max or the iPhone 12 Pro? We don't know that, but it definitely will charge the mini from 0 to 100 completely, one full charge. $100. It's a really cool idea, I will say that. Now, what's funny is, and this is my personal opinion, is it really practical? Okay, so the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, even the 12 mini have really good batteries, okay? They have really amazing batteries. Them not adding 120 hertz displays on these units actually made it so that these batteries are pretty much even better. because now they don't have to worry about the, that weighing them down and using up battery faster. With that in mind, I don't really see the purpose of this, especially for $100. Are you going to be using this? And, obviously you have to use a Magsafe type case that can be used with this, because if not, you have to take your case off and have this on your phone, like kind of like a Band-Aid in a way. But at the same time, it's just, I don't know how many people are using their iPhone so much in one day that it actually is running out of battery that you can't charge it. Now, if you can't charge it, your iPhone, after a day, this is really cool, but it's not going to give you that much battery life. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, the case scenario I see this device or this item in is if, let's say, for example, you're on vacation, you're out there, throughout the day, you forget to charge your phone before you leave, you slap this bad boy on, you're out in the whatever doing your life, and you charge your phone, which apparently only can charge an iPhone mini completely, so you might get half charge out of this, maybe 3/4 of a charge out of this device, and that's pretty much it, right? So it might give you a little bit of juice when you need juice. If this was $50, I would say, yeah, 100%, yeah, go pick it up. Probably a good idea, not bad at all, at $50 price tag. At $100, and it can't even fully charge your phone? I'd rather say just bring a cable and a battery pack at that point. But it's definitely one of those things where, hey, if you are interested in this concept of, having this sleek, just on the back of your phone, I personally do not rock a phone case on my phone. This would be perfect for me. But if you rock a phone case, probably not your cup of tea. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.